And subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another great outdoor cooking video with a boy Caribbean Vibes Cooking. So in today's video I do some baked chicken breast stuffed with rye plantain. So I'm just slitting the breast of the chicken. So I already slit 2 of them already, so that is the last one. So I'm gonna stuff the plantain in it. I'm gonna add a little bit of vinegar, wash them off, and some water. Say some macaroni and cheese, baked chicken breast stuffed with rye plantain. I'm just finished rinsing them off. I'm gonna season. I'm gonna use the onion. I'm grating the onion. So grating the onion. The onion get to penetrate the meat more instead of dicing it. Get more flavor out of it. I'm gonna add a small piece of ginger, shredding it just as well. I'm gonna use some garlic. I'm gonna add 1 pepper. Add some scallion. So sorry about it. The delay of posting the video. Last week I wasn't 100% feeling well, so I'm doing much better now. So I am back in front of the camera. So I'm gonna add some chicken season, 1 spoon of garlic powder. I'm gonna use some paprika, just a little bit, just to add a little bit color. All-purpose season, and just a little bit of pimento seed, not too much. So I'm just rubbing on the season inside and then leaving it to marinate for 30 minutes. So I'm cutting up the Irish. I'm just cutting them in 4. bigger ones can dice into even 3 pieces, so you end up get 6 pieces. Everything going into the jerk pan today. So we see of the best to the last, which are the big one. I'm gonna add some olive oil, salt and black pepper over them. Just a little bit of scallion with a little bit of thyme. So I'm gonna add some scallion, a little bit of salt, some black pepper, and some virgin olive oil. I'm just gonna toss them. So I'm adding just a little bit of thyme. Just a little bit more salt, just a little pinch. I'm going to cut up the plantain. I'm just going to cut up it as fine as possible. So I'm cutting up and then stuff it inside of the chicken breast. add in just a little bit of olive oil just to grease the pan. So I'm gonna place the chicken breast then. And when they look good already. Add in some scallion, a little bit of salt, olive oil, into the boiling water. Add in the macaroni. So I'm adding in the chicken and the Irish. I'm gonna add some orange juice. Some sweet pepper in the macaroni and cheese, yellow shredded cheese, some purple onion, shredding the onion, a little piece of butter, small glass of milk, add some of the powdered cheese, so basically I'm just waiting on the butter to melt. Add the rest of milk in it. So now I'm gonna make it stay too long on the fire because I don't want it to be too dry. So I'm checking on the chicken. Irish are common, so leave them in the jump for 20 minutes. I'm just checking on them and they are looking good. I'm just gonna throw out the juice and then we're going to make the sauce for the baked chicken. So baked chicken stuffed with ripe plantain. ketchup. And this is the juice that chew off of the chicken. Some honey. So a little soya sauce. Dipping the chicken breast in the sauce. Fire hot. Oh boy. Yeah man, good stuff. Your chicken breast stuffed with ripe plantain. Caribbean vibes way. Check on the Irish them and them cook. And so the chicken done bake. And I'm going to take out now because I don't want it too dry. So I'm going to just wrap back the Irish potato and make it steam just a little bit more. So I'm giving it more, about 5 more minutes, and then it's good to go. So the chicken breast done. So guys, please like, comment and share, subscribe for more awesome video. Peace out, we're out.